Hi, I'm Drew.
And I'm Trevor. In 2013, we brought something incredible to the world, the very first affordable 3D scanner. It was a game changer, putting scanning technology into the hands of thousands of people for the very first time. Over the years, we got to know you and learn about all your cool projects. It's been incredible to look back and see all of the cool things you've accomplished with your matter and form. And now, on our 10th year anniversary, we're ready to make history once again. Let us introduce you to 3.
3 is a first-of-its-kind metrology-grade 3D scanner. We designed 3 for power and flexibility. Equipped with dual 13-megapixel Sony optical sensors and a state-of-the-art DLP projector, 3 lets you scan more objects, more colors, in a larger range of sizes than any other scanner on the market. Fully onboard software runs seamlessly in any web browser, meaning you can use any operating system on almost any device. There's no software to install, and you don't need a crazy powerful computer. You could even use a Chromebook or a tablet.
Simply mount the scanner on its tripod, plug it in, open your web browser, and scan. There's no need to hold the scanner in a particular position. 3 automatically stitches its scans together, so you can scan large objects in sections with ease. Go from scanning a car engine to a toy car miniature in seconds. No matter the size, 3 captures scans with incredible detail and precision.
We know that many of you are developers and makers just like us, so we're excited to include a full API with 3. That means you can run your own machine vision projects, like object detection and facial recognition. 3 is also a full edge computing device. Using powerful plugins like Jupyter Labs and Python means you can run your projects right on the device itself.
Until now, this kind of technology was only available to high-end industry, costing tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. We specifically designed 3 to fix that, to give you a metrology-grade 3D scanner and a vision development tool at a prosumer price point.
10 years ago, you joined our journey to revolutionize 3D scanning, and we're so glad to have you on board to do it all again. We can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll create with 3. Be the first to pre-order yours today.